Welcome back to Gadgets Find. If you're looking to totally level up your backyard hosting game with a sleek, multifunctional piece of outdoor decor, well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the Keter Pacific Cool Bar. Honestly, let's just dive right into this because I genuinely think this is literally the ultimate summer entertaining essential for 2026.
Look, we've all been there, right? You're constantly forced to choose between running back and forth to the kitchen for a cold drink or actually sitting down and relaxing with your friends on the patio. It is that constant, super annoying struggle of hosting. You want to be part of the conversation, but you also want to make sure everybody's got a cold drink in their hand. Well, this brilliant little gadget solves that exact problem. So, at first glance, the Pacific Cool Bar just looks like a highly attractive, really sleek patio side table. I mean, it looks fantastic sitting by the lounge chairs holding a cold drink and a bowl of snacks right on top. But, as you're gonna see in just a second, it's way, way more than just a place to set your phone down. Here's where the real magic happens. The whole transformer aspect of this design kicks in, with just a simple, smooth pull upwards. The 19.5-inch tabletop basically extends from a standard 22.5-inch side table height straight up to a 33.2-inch ergonomic cocktail bar. It locks securely into place, and boom, it instantly transforms your cozy little seating area into a raised, upright bar top. But wait, it gets better. When you pop that tabletop up, it instantly reveals this massive, hidden 7.5-gallon storage tub right underneath. And the crazy part is the capacity. We're talking enough space to hold up to 40 cans of your favorite beer, soda, or even a bunch of tall wine bottles, perfectly stashed right there inside the table. Now, this brings us to an absolutely crucial feature. You're not just tossing drinks into some flimsy plastic bucket here. This cooler is built with double wall insulation. Basically, that means you're getting extra structural strength, and way more importantly, it keeps your beverages completely frosty and ice cold for hours on end, even if you're out there in the absolute peak of summer heat. Think about what this means for your next backyard barbecue. This pop-up design completely changes the game for your backyard hospitality. You keep ice-cold refreshments literally right at your guests' fingertips. No one has to awkwardly pause the conversation to go inside and rummage through the fridge. You just reach over, grab a cold one straight from the icy tub, and keep the good times rolling. Okay, let's talk build quality for a second, because we all know outdoor furniture takes a serious beating. The Keter Pacific Cool Bar is molded from this superior, high-quality, weather-defying, UV-protected resin. It's got this absolutely gorgeous espresso brown woven rattan look texture that gives you all the elegant vibes of real wicker, but thankfully without any of the usual headaches. And man, those real wicker headaches can be an absolute nightmare. With this, you get zero maintenance, literally no splitting, no unraveling, and definitely no rusting. Plus, when the party finally wraps up, cleanup takes like 2 seconds. You just pull the integrated drainage plug hidden right at the bottom of the tub, let all that melted ice drain right out, and you are entirely done. Now, if you're wondering about the brand behind this clever little design, Keter has actually been a massive leader in high-performance, weatherproof innovation since way back in 1948. They designed stuff with real people in mind, making sure your gear isn't going to warp, rot, rust, dent, or peel no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. It's truly built for real life with super easy front door delivery and just lasting durability. To top the whole thing off, the design is 100% recyclable, incredibly easy to assemble straight out of the box, and fully all-weather resistant. It really is that ultimate all-in-one companion. It's perfectly engineered to withstand the elements, whether it's sitting totally exposed out on your balcony, right next to the hot tub, or just chilling on the edge of the pool deck. And honestly, that brings us to the real-world result. Just imagine this setup in your own yard. It is absolutely the perfect backyard upgrade that makes hosting, toasting, and just plain relaxing completely seamless. It adds this really nice touch of modern class to your patio, all while solving literally the oldest hosting problem in the book. You finally get to just sit back and be the life of the party, instead of acting like the server. So, what's the final verdict? Well, the Keter Pacific Cool Bar truly is the ultimate summer entertaining essential of 2026. Thanks so much for watching this video here on Gadgets Find. If this breakdown helped you find your next backyard upgrade, make sure to click the link below for the best price to level up your outdoor hosting today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into effortless home gear. It kind of makes you wonder though, what other frustrating backyard problems could be solved with just a little bit of clever engineering? Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.